Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Form full tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Google Form, and you need to go into forms.google.com right here on your browser, and then after that make sure that you sign in into your Google account first in order for you to use the forms. So once you're logged in, then you will be prompted right here. And once you're here, you can start a new blank form, or you can start with your templates right here, and you can click here so that you would be able to see more templates right here. So these templates would enable you to have less work in customizing your forms. So if you're looking for a job application, then I suggest that you use the job application template right here so that you would have less work to do. And then once you're done with that, and the next thing is that we're going to go with the blank form right here for this tutorial. So right here, as you can see, we have the untitled form, and you can style your text and so on right here. So we're going to explore all of this. So the first one that you can do is the title. So you can go for sample tutorial, and then you can go for description. This is just a tutorial. And just like that. And now you have your questions right here. So you can go for your first question. Right here, you can go for maybe what is your age, and you can go for bold, you can go for italic on that, or maybe underline or whatsoever that you'd want. So you can also customize that. And then finally, you can go and choose the answer that you want to receive from your participants. So if you want a drop down one, then you can choose this, and then you'll be able to give some choices right here. So maybe one, or maybe here two, add another option, three, and then right there. So this will be their choices, and then you can feel free to explore more of the answers that you can receive right here. So you can experiment on that depending on what you need. We're not gonna go through this one by one because it's gonna take too long. The next thing is this button. So you can also import questions right here. So if you have another form from the past and then you want to import those questions into this form, then you can do that right here. And then the next thing is you can add a title and description just like so. So yeah, just like this one, you would be also able to add another one right here. So let's just go put random ones. And then next one is image, and then you can also add a video right here. So you can go for YouTube on that one. And then the next one is you can go for add another section right here. So if you need this, then you can also do that. And then you can add the title and the questions right here. You can add questions and more questions in that section. So that is basically it for the questions right here. The next thing is this customized theme right here. You can choose this, and you can choose different colors for your forms, some questions, or their fonts, their header, their text, and so on. So this is basically how you design your form. And the next one is the preview one. So in case that you want to see your form from the perspective of your participants, this is where you want to click it right here. And then you have your undo and redo button right here, and then your send right here would be if you are done with your form, and then you can send it out to your participants. And the next thing is we're going to go for the responses, and this is where you would be able to see the responses of your participants right here. You'd be able to see everything right here. There is nothing complicated here. You can link it to Sheets if you would want that, and you can also get email notifications for new respondents and so on right here. And then the next thing is the settings. So you can make this a quiz. If this is a test for your students, then you could enable this one right here. But if not, then you can actually go and disable that, and you don't have to customize this one. And then you can collect email addresses if you need that, and you can go for responder input and so on. So you can allow response editing if you would want them to edit in case they missed something or made something wrong. And you can limit the response. You can go for presentation, show progress bar on the test, and you can shuffle the questions and so on right here. There is a lot more. You can even go for the form defaults right here, and yeah, you can see everything right here. So yeah, that is basically it for this full tutorial. So I hope that I have given you the gist on how you can make your Google Forms right here as you have envisioned. So yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.